Alright guys, David here again. This is what I found. Piston's no more good. Two huge grooves on that one side. The other side is pretty good, but it's no more good. It overheated, obviously, from I'm assuming lack of oil to the top, and my timing chain guide and tensioner just started to shred right here, and it all melted. It melted up, tore it up pretty good. Found some pieces of this in the cam sprocket gears and cylinder scarred pretty bad up in here. It's scarred up nicely, and here's the head off in the sun. We could see it pretty good. This is the intake side, and this was the exhaust side, which was fairly decent, but I would have to say that this head's pretty much done. There's no cracks or anything in between the valves. I think I might have to just build a whole another one, because I don't think none of this is any good, especially the top of this head. But that's it for today. Sorry, I got the damn camera wrong.